Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start our second lecture of Countdown Book 1 of Unit 1, right? So for that we are going to open the next page, that was page number 4. So I'm going to write date on the top left side. So today's date is 2 6 2020, and we will write classwork in the middle, C.W, and we will write day on top right side, Tuesday, Tuesday, day. Today's day is Tuesday. Let's read the first line. Tick the shapes in each row that are same. What you have to do, you have to put tick mark on each shape that are of same shape, right? You have to put tick mark on the object that are of same shape. So this and this object are of same shape, they both are of circle shape, right? They have placed tick mark on it here and tick mark here also. They have done first part for us, so remaining parts we will do by ourselves. In part number B, this second object and the fourth object are of same shape, they are of cuboid. So we will put tick mark on it like this. Now come to the third part. The second object, this book, and the third object, this box, they both are of same shape, they are of cuboid. So we have placed tick mark here and here. Now come to part D. This first shape and the third shape, these two objects are of same shape, these are of cylinder shapes, so we are going to put tick mark here and tick mark also here. So these are same shapes. Okay, after that we will do part E. Now find the same shapes in this part also. This and this object are of same shape, so we will put tick mark on first object and on the fourth object. Okay, one part is done on this page. Now we are going to start the second part, that was coloring. I am taking out my colors so that I can color the shapes that I have taken or chosen, or on that I have placed tick mark. I'm taking the first color orange. I'm doing coloring in these two shapes. You can also do coloring of your choice, right? These two shapes are of same shapes. Now in second, what you will do, you will take another color. I'm taking this blue color and I'm coloring in it. I hope you are enjoying this coloring. And this is a dice that we use in Ludo. We are doing coloring in it also. Coloring is very interesting work, I think, for small kids. Now I'm using third color, red, yellow, in the book and in the box. Now come to the next one. I'm using brown color here, sorry, green one, in the tin, and the other color, you can use the other color also, but I'm doing the same color in both objects because it looks very nice. Okay, next part, you can take out the other color. You can take red color for it. I'm doing red color here. You can take any color and you can do coloring in it. Now this page is done, right? Okay, let's start from the second page. Coloring is done. Next page, page number 5, come to that page and write date on the page 5 on the top left side, 02/06 and 2020. This is today's date. And write classwork C.W here and day, Tuesday, on the top right side, TUES, Tues, DAY, day. This is the today's day. Now what you have to do on this page, they are telling us about addition on this page. Addition means किसी भी चीज़ को, दो चीज़ों को जमा करना. For example, if I am having two colors here and one pencil here, when I will add these, one color here, and when I will add these, I will have three colors altogether, right? This is called addition. जब आप कलरिंग कर चुके हैं उसके बाद आपने क्या करना है, आपने नेक्स्ट पेज पे आ जाना है, ठीक है? अब इसमें ऑब्जेक्ट्स बने हुए हैं. दे हैव मेड ऑब्जेक्ट्स फॉर अस, लाइक इन ए पार्ट you will count these and you will count these also, then you will count together. The first one is done for you, for example like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Count again, 1 2 3 4 5, these are 5, 6 7 8, and these are 3. All together they are 8, right? Now for second, look at this. They are seashells. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. These are 2 and these are 8. 2 plus 8, what is the answer? It is 10. Count again, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we will add 10 here. Look at the part C. Count the first 4 objects, 4 these guitars and 5 these guitars. Count these together, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 4 plus 5 means, what does it means? It becomes 9. When we will add 5 in 4, what will be the answer? It will be 9. So we will write 9 here. And in part D, what you will do, you will count these objects. Let's count, these are 3 and these are 7. We will count these together, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Count again, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, 3 plus 7, it gives 10. So first part is done on this page. Now we are going to start the second part. Use the number line to help you add. What you will do now, you will use this number line so that you will get the answer. 1, you will come from 0 to 1 and then 7 more steps, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So what is the answer? 8. So we will write 8 here. B part, 3 and 1. First you will jump 3 steps, 1 2 3, then 1 step more, 1. It becomes 4. इसी तरह आपने क्या करना है, नेक्स्ट 8 जंप्स लेनी है और फिर उसके बाद 2 जंप्स और लेनी है, राइट? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 2 more jumps, 9 10. What is the answer here? We have reached 10. So this is the answer. 10 will be written here in front of this statement. D part, 5 plus 4 equals to dash. Now look at it. Take 5 jumps and then after that take 4 more jumps. 1 2 3 4 5 and take 4 more jumps. 1 2 3 4. We have reached 9. So answer will be 9. Write 9 here in the box. Now E part, 6, take 6 jumps and take 4 jumps after that. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and take 4 more jumps. 1 2, 3, 4. So we have reached 10 again. So answer will be 10. Right? It's very easy work. I hope you are enjoying it. Now I will take one jump because first digit is 1, and I will take 6 jumps after that. So I will get the answer. Now one jump and then 6 more jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what will be the answer? It is 7. I'm going to write 7 here. Now let's do part number G. First I will take 2 jumps, then I will take 5 jumps. 2 plus 5 will, what will be the answer? I will find it. पहले 2 जंप्स लें, फिर उसके बाद 5 और जंप्स लें, और जहाँ पे आपका जंप स्टॉप होगा वो आपका आंसर होगा. ठीक है. 1, 2, then 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What will be the answer? 7. So I'm writing 7 here. 2 plus 5 is 7. H part. 7 jumps first I'll take, and then after that 3 jumps more I will take, and I will get the answer. Let's do it. 7 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 3 more jumps. 1, 2, 3. Answer is 10. I'm writing 10 here. 7 plus 2. What will be the answer? Let's take 7 jumps first, and then I'll take 2 more jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and let's take 2 more jumps. 1, 2. The answer is 9. So I'm writing 9 here. Now look at part J. 5 jumps, and then I will take 5 more jumps. Then I'll get the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On which number I have reached? 10. So what is the answer? 10 is the answer. I'm writing 10 here in front of part J. K. Now part number K we will do. Let's take 3 jumps first. 1, 2, 3. Right? And how many more jumps? 4 more jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 7. So I'm writing 7 here in front of it. Last part of this page. L part. First I will take 2 jumps, and then I will take 8 jumps. Then I will get the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry. First I will take 2 jumps. 1, 2. And then after that I will take 8 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I have reached this number 10. So answer will be 10. Okay. This page is done. I hope you enjoyed this page, and students, I am giving you next page for homework. Write today's date on it. Also 0, 2 here on the top left side, 06-2020. Write homework here, H.W, and write day here, TUES, day, Tuesday. Now this page is, as we have done the page before, I will do one part for you, A part, and one part for here in question number 4, A part of this question. First A part, look at it. The objects they have drawn for you, 3 boxes yellow and 4 orange, right? Count these together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the answer? 3 plus 4. 3 में 4 डालेंगे तो कितने बन जाएंगे? 7. I'm writing 7 here. Remaining these 2 parts you can do by yourself. You will count these objects and these objects together, and the answer will be given to you. You will write the answer here. Then you will count these objects and these objects together. मिला के करेंगे काउंट, तो फिर आपका आंसर आ जाएगा, वो आपने यहाँ लिखना है. इसी तरह 4th पार्ट में जैसे आपने पिछले पेज पे किया है, you will do the same thing here. Use the number line to help you add. इस नंबर लाइन को वैसे यूज़ करना है जैसे हमने पिछले पेज पे ऐड किया. A part I am doing for you. This is 3 and this is 2. 3 plus 2. 3 में 2 डालने हैं, तो हम पहले 3 जंप्स लेंगे और फिर 2 जंप्स लेंगे. जिस नंबर पे हम पहुंचेंगे वो हमारा आंसर होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लुक एट इट, 3 and 2. फर्स्ट आई विल टेक 3 जंप्स, 1, 2, 3, and then I'll take 2 jumps, 1, 2. So I have reached this number 5. So my answer is 5. Same is the procedure in the remaining parts. So you will do these parts by yourself, and I'm giving you these parts for practice. I hope you can do this. So prepare it properly. Allah Hafiz. We will do the remaining work tomorrow.